let's just go ahead and change this to okay. Apply it. Boom. Just so we have a better contrast of what's going on here. So we've made a video on how to change that color if you didn't catch that. So now we need to click into the table fixture, click parts, and then it has the associated parts that are inside the cell. They're not associated at the moment actually. We're gonna associate them here. These are just the parts that are existent within the cell. So we're gonna check that. We're gonna hit apply, and boom. As you can see, it took the door and automatically added it to the origin. So it added the origin of the table to the origin of the door, and we're gonna edit the part offset. So this is gonna change the location of where this door sits. So this is the part that's really important. Like if you know exactly where this door goes, you can drag this around and put it in the exact location. So we're just manually making changes here. You gotta make sure you hit that edit part offset or you won't be able to edit. It'll be grayed out. Here we go. Like I said, this is just pretty generic, but if you have a specific feature on this fixture that you want to lock your part to, and you have a specific origin of your part, you can lock those two together. So whenever you're doing your engineering, technically you should have your origin points match up and be the exact same, so that way you have the same reference for your fixturing and your part.